In this lesson, we'll learn about how to explain the location for somebody. But first, we are going to learn the word that we use for explain the location. For example, if you travel to Japan and you are asked for some location, how do you explain that in Japanese? So in this video clip, we'll learn about the easy way for how to explain the location. For example, turn left and Tanaka-san house is over there. Something very simple like this. The first, if you want to say left in Japanese, you can say like hidari, hidari, hidari. Hidari is mean left. Migi, migi. Migi is mean right. Masugu, masugu. Masugu is mean straight. Magaru, magaru. Magaru is mean turn. For example, you want to turn left, turn right, you can use magaru. Sono chikaku, sono chikaku. Sono chikaku is mean nearby. For example, something is nearby something. You can use the word sono chikaku. Toi, toi. Toi is mean far. For example, you want to ask how far from point A to point B, you can use toi. Mae, mae. Mae is mean in front of. For example, something is in front of something, you can use the word mae. Ushiro, ushiro. Ushiro is mean behind. Tonari, tonari. Tonari is mean next to. So now we are going to create some simple sentence. For example, if I want to say turn left, how do you say turn left in Japanese? So now we will use the word that we have already learned in this video clip. We can say like this. Hidari ni magaru. Hidari ni magaru. In here we use the word hidari and the verb magaru. Hidari is mean left and magaru is mean turn. So in here you just put ni between the hidari and magaru. You can say hidari ni magaru is mean turn left. And how to say turn right? Turn right is very simple. It's just the same like turn right. It's just the same like turn left. But in here you just change the word left to be right. So if we create a sentence, we can say like this. Migi ni magaru. Migi ni magaru. Migi ni magaru is mean turn right. In here, just see that we just put the migi to replace the word hidari, right? So we can say migi ni magaru is mean turn right. Now if we want to say go straight on or go straight, you can say like this. In here we have two ways to say in Japanese for go straight or go straight on. The first you can say masugu ni iku. まっすぐに行く。まっすぐに行く。And the second we can say まっすぐに進む。まっすぐに進む。This means go straight or go straight out. In here, let's see the picture. In the left side, we have in here we have Tanaka-san, Yamada-san, and Takeda-san. And in this way, we want to create a sentence like next to the Takeda-san is Yamada-san. How to say this sentence in Japanese? In Japanese, you can say like this. 武田さんの隣に山田さんがいます。武田さんの隣に山田さんがいます。You see that in this sentence you use the word 隣に right? 隣 is mean next to. So if you want to say next to Takeda-san, you can say Takeda-san no tonari ni, right? Is Yamada-san is mean Yamada-san ga imasu, which mean Yamada-san is next to the Takeda-san, right? So you can say Takeda-san no tonari ni Yamada-san ga imasu. And in here we want to say there is a table in front of Takeda-san. In this picture, we will see that in front of the Takeda-san, it has a table, right? So if you want to say there is a table in front of Takeda-san, in Japanese, you can use like Takeda-san no mae ni tsukue ga arimasu. Takeda-san no mae ni tsukue ga arimasu. Takeda-san no mae is mean in front of Takeda-san. If you put no between the person name and the mae, it mean in front of that person. In here we have Takeda-san no mae is mean in front of Takeda-san. And let's see the next. You see that tsukue ga arimasu. Tsukue is mean table. Arimasu it mean there is or there are. So in here they say tsukue ga arimasu mean there is a table. So in this sentence we can say Takeda-san no mae ni tsukue ga arimasu. And then at the same time you want to create a sentence like there is a table in front of Yamada-san. You also say Yamada-san no mae ni tsukue ga arimasu. Yamada-san no mae ni tsukue ga arimasu. So it's very simple. The next, as the picture in here, you see that we have Yamamoto-san, Yamada-san, and Takeda-san. In here, you see that Yamada-san is behind the Takeda-san and Yamamoto-san. But in this sentence, we want to say Yamada-san is behind Takeda-san. How to say the sentence like this in Japanese? In Japanese, we see that we use the word behind. Behind in Japanese, they say ushiro, right? So in this sentence, we use ushiro. And when we create like this. Takeda-san no ushiro ni Yamada-san ga imasu. Takeda-san no ushiro ni Yamada-san ga imasu. Let's see the sentence. We see that Takeda-san no ushiro is mean behind Takeda-san, right? So when you want to say behind someone, you just put that person name and followed by no ushiro. So Takeda-san no ushiro is mean behind Takeda-san. Yamada-san ga imasu. This mean ima is mean there is or there are some person, right? So in this case, it means Yamada-san is behind Takeda-san. And when we create a sentence, we can create like Takeda-san no ushiro ni Yamada-san ga imasu. Or at the same time, even when to say Yamada-san is behind Yamamoto-san, you just change the name Takeda-san to be Yamamoto-san. So you can say Yamamoto-san no ushiro ni Yamada-san ga imasu. So it's very easy to create a sentence like this. And now we will have a picture like this. In the picture, we will have a tree and a house. And in this picture, you see that the tree is nearby the house. So if we want to make the sentence like there is a tree and nearby the tree, it also has a house. How to create the sentence like this in Japanese? You see that at the last moment, we already learned the word nearby. Nearby is mean tonari. Sono chikaku ni, right? Tonari is mean next to, but nearby is mean sono chikaku ni. So in this, we can create a sentence like this. Ki ga arimasu. そしてその近くに家もあります。木があります。そしてその近くに家もあります。Let's see. If they say 木があります is mean there is a tree, right? そして is mean and その近くに is mean nearby. Ie mo arimasu is mean arima is mean has or have, or you can say there is or there are, right? So here they say ie mo arimasu is mean it also has a house. So that means the first they will explain and for you to imagine that it has a tree, and nearby the tree it also has a house. So in this case you can say if there is a tree, it means 木があります and you can say そして nearby the tree it also has a house. その近くに家もあります nearby is mean その近くに家もあります and in this case if you want to say you want to ask how far from point A to point B, you see here how do you create the question like this in Japanese? In this case, you say, how far is it from here? This means you are in some location and you want to know that location to another location. So you can say, how far is it from here? You can say like this. ここからはどのくらい遠いですか? ここからはどのくらい遠いですか? 遠い is mean far. So when you say どのぐらい遠いですか is mean how far. And you say ここから is mean from here. So in this case you can say how far is it from here? So please remember you can say ここからは どのぐらい遠いですか? It is meaning that how far is it from here? And thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. We still have many videos about learning Japanese language. And I hope that you enjoyed this video clip. If you have any question, please comment below. I will answer you later. ありがとうございました。